The material that we produce is essentially this. It's very, very hard. It's kind of brick-like, and it's just force of sheer compression on the kind of earth that you will find in your back garden.
Charlotte, and earthbuilt in particular, the core technology within Charlotte, will be a game changer wherever it goes in the world. It will make construction really, really cheap. Like, we're talking about knocking zeros off the end. And it'll also make it carbon free, and in some cases carbon negative. So it'll stop this damaging of the world that we're living in as we build. You know, we've got to do this at some stage.
Because we have a big focus on using the materials we have around us as the fill material for the bag, Charlotte and the earth-built building method is actually perfect for construction on the moon, because by weight, 99% of the structure can just be the material you find around you. And for lunar construction, you can't take a lot with you. It's extremely expensive to send stuff to the moon. I think currently it's about $1 million a kilo to send something to the moon. So you want to take absolutely as little with you as possible.